Hey everyone, enjoy the show. From Mantiques Network, how you doing? It never rains in California except for the day before or day after I wash my RV. Anyways, we'll take the rain when we get it. What we hear is a 1940s Chrysler dealership advertisement mirror. This is probably something that they gave away as a gift of purchase when you bought one of their products, which is kind of cool. So if you're into Chrysler dealerships or just vintage advertising, or you like the hunting thing, this might be for you then.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.